Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $300 per day right from the comfort of your home with a pretty cool method here today. You're going to want to stick around and see this video, and I'm going to get flipped over here to my other monitor here right now. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel here that you see. And if this is your first time here to my videos and or you have not yet subscribed to my channel, well, while we're thinking about it and talking about it, if you want to just come down right here on underneath your video there, and you'll see a subscribe button like this right here, and there'll be a notification bell right beside it there, and you want to click on that and get notified of every time I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel, because I'm always trying to bring out ways to help you guys make money online and bring time and financial freedom into your life more and more with each video. Okay, alrighty guys, well, with that out of the way, I'm anxious to show you this method today. You can make up to $300 per day on this, and it's all 100% free to do, and it can be done from anywhere in the world. Okay, alright, well, let's go ahead and get started right in on this video here. What we want to do is we want to come over here to this site right here. This site here you see is called Jungle Scout. Let me get my magnifier up here. Right up here in the address bar, you see it right here. It's junglescout.com right here. Easy enough to come over here. And what is junglescout.com? Well, junglescout.com is a site where Amazon affiliate or sellers can come here and start their own business selling Amazon products and or grow their existing business. As you see right here, it says wherever you are in your seller journey, we can help. And it says I'm here to start selling. You can start there, or if you have an existing business on Amazon, and it will show you also help you to grow your existing business, and then they can also explore brand and agency solutions with this as well. You can see some of the different companies here that even have used this site, and it comes down here and you can see, you can even find winning products here by searching the product database, the product trackers and different things, and so on and so forth. Database, keyword scout, analytics, and inventory manager. And you can see that Jungle Scout has about 400,000 plus entrepreneurs supported with it or using this site, and 500 million plus Amazon products are monitored, and there's $3 billion plus annually in assisted Amazon sales. So you can come here if you want to be an Amazon seller and get your business set up in like Amazon FBA or whatever do on Amazon. You can surely do it right from this site here, and so on and so forth, and they even have a blog or whatever. But that is not the focus of our method today. Our method today is we're not going to become an Amazon seller. We want to see how we can make money using this particular site. Alrighty, so what we want to do is we want to come over here to where it says resources up here, and you just drop that down. We want to come down here to where it says Jungle Scout Market right there, and you want to click on that right there. So when we click on that, that brings us over to here, and you see that this site says the best Amazon freelancers all in one place, and you can see that this site is very similar to like what Fiverr would be, or SEO clerks, or people per hour, those types of sites where people offer their services to help Amazon sellers, right? So this site, what happens is here is this site, Jungle Scout Market, is someone who's already an Amazon seller, needs to have something done in his business, then he can just come here and hire people like you and me to create whatever it is they want, or to do whatever task it is they want, and make some pretty good money doing this. So for our example today, we're going to be using, for example, you can see over here in the categories, there's all kinds of different categories here on all kinds of Amazon business. You can do product research for people, photography, writing and translation, graphic and design, digital marketing, video and animation, and legal. And all of this is done in right here on this site where people can come and hire things they need done. So for our example today, what we're going to do is it's easy to sign up here. It's free to sign up. You can sign up here, and then once you get your account set up, and I'm going to say that probably Amazon will send you an email confirmation, so you want to make sure that you check that out. And then come back and get logged in. What you want to do then is click right here where it says become a freelancer right here, because what you're going to do is you're going to set up a gig here on Jungle Scout Market where you can offer your services to people that already have money and are looking for help in taking care of a certain part of their Amazon business that they may need help with, right? For our example today, we're going to use in the graphics and design here. So we come over here in the column on the left here, and we'll click on graphics and design. And we're going to use as an example, there's several different markets you can get in right here, but we're going to use logo design as our example here. So we click on that, and that loads up here, and you can see there's several people here that are offering their service to Amazon sellers to do logo design for whatever they want logo design done on. I mean, it can be put on boxes, it can be put on mugs, it can be put on hats, it can be just whatever you can think of, and it just depends on what the seller might want done with logos. And like I said, I'm going to show you how you can do this for free, so keep watching the video here. Now what you want to do is you want to click on become a freelancer here, and you want to set up a gig similar to what you see here. For example, so you can follow and model your gig after some of these other ones. So you can like click on one. For example, we'll just click on this guy's offering logo design at $25, and you can just model yours sort of after how he has his here. You don't want to copy it just exactly, right? You don't want to do that, but you can certainly model it after what you read from any of these other sellers on the Jungle Scout Market here. So you can see that people have different prices that they're charging here: 60, 35, 200, 25, 99, 60, 200. I mean, it just goes all the way up. There's even one down here that you can see right here for $5,000 that this person is charging to do premium Amazon logo plus branding design. And so I would say a good place to set yours looks like about $100 to do your logo design as a freelancer on Jungle Scout Market here, and set your gig up, and you can create logo and show pictures similar like this. So like we tell you on Fiverr, it's the same thing, right? So you can just set up your gig, charge $100 would be a good average. It looks like to be a pretty good average right in through here. And if you get 3 sales per day, you'd be making $300 per day, right? Which you never know. It could even be even more than that, okay? Now, so let's just say, for example, that you created your freelancer account on here. You've got your gig set up to offer your service to Amazon sellers who already have money because they're already in business on Amazon, right? And someone comes over and they hire you to do their logo for whatever product they may want that done for, or whatever, maybe they're shipping boxes or whatever they use. You can put a logo for them on their products. And how will you do that? Well, when somebody gives you an order, you can simply come right over here to this site right here. You see it right here. It's freelogodesign.org. You see it up here in the address bar. And you can create free logos in seconds. So let me give you an example here, and it's just you don't even have to sign in on this site. You just come here and create free logos. So for example, if I just put my name in here, for example, just to show you how easy this is, and then we can select a category. You can put it in whatever niche that the seller is wanting it in. It just doesn't matter. It could be in any one of these. Let's just pick photography as an example. And then all you do is just click Get Started, and you can see that it will come over here, and you can create different logos. It gives you different ones already in here, and it gives you like 2 or 3 pages down here, you see, and it's already created these logos. Let me zoom in a little, and it's all just I put my name there, and you can also edit these, or pick one that you want to edit and simply click on it, and it should, yeah, there it comes. And you can over here, you can edit this if you want to change the text. You want to put a shape in right above my head here, you see this, and add an icon, and even change around and work with the logo and change your colors here on it, and so on and so forth. And then it's just a matter of saving it and downloading it to your computer, and then give it back to your customer, and if they're happy with it, you get paid. If not, they may want you to revise it a little bit. I imagine your customer will give you some specifications, right? Going to tell you what he wants it in, the colors he wants to use, and then you just go and create different of these logos and show him the different, give him about 5 or 6 designs and with his information, and let him choose which one he likes. And they may want you to revise it just a little bit until they're happy and work with you, and then you simply get paid $100 after they're happy with your logo design. It's just that easy, guys. So you want to stick around. There's another way I'm going to show you how you can do this for even doing nothing. You don't even have to do anything if you don't want to fool around with this and create the logos yourself, although they're free to do, right? So another site that you can come over and create logos with is this site right here. You see it right here in the address bar. It's called Placeitnet. See that? Placeitnet. You can come here. Now they do have a free account that you can also purchase a account on this site, but you don't need it. You can click on free account right here and get signed up, and actually you don't even need an account to create a logo with, but you will need to sign up for the free account, and so that you can download whatever you make. And they have all kinds of things here, and they have free templates and so on, mock-ups, designs, and logos. Of course, we're talking about logos today, so you want to come right here and click on logos. It brings you to this page right here. Again, you're just using my name as an example here, and then if we click next, it's going to ask us to pick an industry or a category, just like on the other site, free logo design. So let's just say, for example, we picked it in catering, for example, and click Let's Go. And it begins to create the logos for you. And here again, you can see up here that you can switch your category out. You can work with the colors on it here, different colors, and you can even choose a different type of graphic that you want to use here too. And it's just a matter, as you can see, it just creates logo, all different types of logos here, and these are really pretty professional looking logos, as you can see. And they're also, it looks like they have transparent, or they're PNG files with a transparent background on them as well. And that a lot of Amazon sellers probably will want PNG type logos with a transparent black background on it. And so you can see here that you can create all kinds of cool logos here. You can change up the graphic if you don't want like these particular graphics. You can choose any number of graphics here they got that you can use. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. So that's the second site where you can do this for free and download these with a free account, and download these to your computer to give back to your Amazon seller customer on Jungle Scout, where you created your gig at. Another site that you can use for free and make these logos for free, as you can see right here, is designevo.com right here. You see it up here at the top in the address bar there. And you can also create a free logo here, and they do have a sign up here. I don't see any pricing on this, all free. You can make a free logo, and then you can download that, and you can change all the colors, as you can see here in this little graphic. You can change the text and all kinds of things with it here, and make it look just the way your customer on Jungle Scout would want that to be. Now, as you can see, here's some different ones right here. These look pretty professional looking logos you see here. And then it's just a matter of creating it. Again, download the file to your computer and create, I'd create 4, 5, 6 different designs to show to your customer, and let them pick or ask you to sort of revise it a little bit, and you can always come back and make changes to it, okay, until they're happy, and you make $100, right, just for doing that. I mean, this is all free. You haven't done anything, and you've made $100 per customer on junglescout.com. Now, let me show you the little bonus that I was going to show you here. I mentioned earlier I have another place I'm going to show you where you don't even have to do nothing. Let's just say, for example, you don't want to do the logo design yourself, okay? You don't want to do this, even though it's free and easy to do, as you see here, on any of these three sites. Let's say you don't want to do it yourself. You'd rather have someone else do it for you. You just want to be the middleman. Well, then what would you do then? Certainly you would just come over here to Fiverr, right? Fiverr.com. It's one of my favorite sites. And you can come here, and as you see, I typed in logo design right here on Fiverr and come up with all these kinds of people here that will do logo design. And let's say you don't want to do the work yourself. You charge your Amazon seller customer $100, and you hire, for example, this person right here to do it for $30. You see right here, this particular one right here for $30. So you had somebody else do it for you. You didn't even have to lift a finger. You just took the order, came over here to Fiverr, hired someone else to do it for you, and you just collect the difference between the $100 that your Amazon seller pays you and the $30 that you pay here, this person, for example, to do it for you, and you've made $70 in that one thing, and you didn't do nothing yourself other than set your gig up on Jungle Scout, and that was it. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's what I wanted to show you today, is this really cool way that you can help Amazon sellers. And you know that you should probably be able to make pretty good money with it, because they're coming to you with money already in hand, because they're running an Amazon business already. Alrighty, guys, that's what I had for you today. If you like this video and see the power of this, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to reach down there and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified. And if you want to see my #1 recommended business platform, you want to reach down there where it says mentorwithkev.com down there at the top of my description. And come on over and come through my funnel and see what is available there at the back of my funnel for you to get your online affiliate marketing business set up in about 15 days to make profit and be successful online. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, check that out. I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple days or so on the next exciting video. You guys have an awesome day today. Don't forget to leave questions and comments down there, and I'll see you here a little bit later. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.